Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got some great information. I got an email yesterday from the Radio J. Allen website. You can sign up to get notifications when he does a new article. And the article was about, well, a little bit about Jay himself. He's been into electronics for a long time. For 26 years, he worked at CBS Radio as a production director. And before that, he worked at a repair shop for 18 years back in the 70s and 80s. And I emailed him and asked him if I could show his latest article, and he agreed that I could do that. So I'm gonna kind of gloss over it because I want you to go to his fantastic webpage and see this article. And look at all these are all articles and reviews and teardowns that he's done, and he goes into great detail, which I'll just briefly show you here. Because here's the 990 review he did. He did the review of the 990x and the 990. And he says that the 990 is an upgrade of the still available, very popular PL-880, which I have. And it's now becoming available. And here's one place that it's now selling the regular production version for $235. Then this is the link. He just posted this yesterday of the 990x. Here it is right here. And Jay goes into a lot of details. I'm just going to briefly go over this. Talks about the history of the PL-880. And now that we have a PL-990x and a PL-990, he tells you what the differences are. And mainly in the ranges, frequency ranges. Long wave, short wave, FM, and AM. He lists the many features. Triple conversion radio, that's what you want. Single sideband, synchronous detector. He tells you if that has been improved over the 880. It's got 3,000 memories. Has Bluetooth, and it has an audio player built in for playback only, does not record, and a bunch of other things. Again, you can read the details. Here's a picture of it in the box. Here's the carrying case, similar to the carrying case of the 880. Uses two of these large 18650 batteries. Some people don't like that because it's not something that you normally have around the house. Although I did go through and get all my batteries together, and I had just bought a half a dozen of these because I was short. Well, I found a half a dozen that I forgot I had, so now I got a dozen. Anyway, talks about the synchronous detection, whether it is improved over the 880, which we know doesn't work that great on the 880. Talks about the Bluetooth playback, audio player, something they give you. They give you this nice little map. Now I want to stop here. I don't want to go too far. Okay, there's FM performance, AM performance, and then it gets this. And I don't want to go down here. Here's the conclusion. The big question people will ask, which I ask also, I already have a PL-80. Is it worth upgrading to a 990? He gives you the answer to that question, which to me, that was the very thing that I was looking for. So you go to his webpage and you can read the conclusion. I don't want to give it away. He does, like I say, he does tons of reviews. Let me go back as one page. Is it this one? This one. Here, look at this. This is just a short list of all the radios he has reviews. Some of them he actually tears down and shows you the inner guts of the radios. And he lets you know. You can trust Jay will give you a very honest review of radios and tell you exactly the good points and bad points. So check this out. You can, like I say, you can join, and he will send you an email stating that I've just published this review, so and so. Radio J Allen. Again, I will leave a link in the first comment under this video of this page, and then you can scroll down and get to this article. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. I have full permission from Jay to show you what I've showed you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.